Well, first of all, I'm a Gemini, and also being in branding. I mean, why should you have one identity? You know, the more the merrier is my thinking. So my actual real name is Alexander. At least that's what my mother calls me. Most of my friends used to call me Alex, but when I started my first company a long time ago, for a bunch of reasons, it was called Axel, mixing up the letters of Alex. And it stuck, and people started to call me Axel, and people started to remember me, which was the most amazing thing. I'd be on a conference call with people all across North America, and someone would go, "Aren't you the Axel that I met here, there?" And I'd go, "Yeah." And so it was such a sort of unique name in North America that it really stuck. And it also taught me a lot, actually, about branding and about how naming, which is one of the things that Distility can help people do, can really make a difference in terms of increasing, awareness and all that other good stuff.